I spent the weekend at Montenegro and it was one of my most wonderful holidays ever. So it was a girls' trip. A friend of mine was celebrating her birthday and she made it a destination party. Guys, you need to see how beautiful Montenegro is. We went to Kotor, went on a boat cruise doing shaking bomb and the yacht. If you want to see me shake my bubble, then you need to watch this vlog. But jokes apart, guys, it's an amazing experience. So if you have a UK BRP and you're looking for where to go on a budget that you do not require a visa, then I'll highly recommend Montenegro because it was a blast of fun. Enjoy this vlog, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. The morning we set out for the airport. This is around 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm on my way, guys. Look at how beautiful the celebrant is. She's a celebrant and it's on her behalf. We're traveling to Montenegro. She was so happy, feeling herself. Hey, look at all the beautiful ladies we're traveling with. There's more billions. And this is our event planner. Can you see her with her bag and everything, enjoying herself? She really tried. She planned the event. This is Lucky. This is Wemi, Caroline. We had so much fun basically with everyone. We had so much fun. Everyone looking beautiful. You will not believe we all woke up as early as 4 a.m. to be on the flight for 6 a.m. in the morning. In 2024, having flights only, and that's it. At this point, we're doing check-in. See me feeling myself. We had it was so stressful at the airport because our loads were over, so we're packing, removing things. We eventually had to pay extra anyways. Look at that. Hello, ladies. Hello. Yay. I'm not the celebrant, I'm the camera woman. We bought in 2024 has feelings, not flights. Oh, flights, not flights. But you get it. So I paid for priority. My ticket had priority, check-in. So I had to come in first and then I was waiting for the ladies. Everyone is feeling them. So I was so happy, was so happy. Hey, on our way to Montenegro. Yay! Montenegro. And we're up in the sky flying. View, guys, can you guys see? I mean, flying gives me so much peace and happiness and joy. I was so happy. Yeah, guys, we landed Podgorica. It was a very beautiful, smooth, flight, and we're waiting for our cab guy that we already pre-booked. That's gonna take us to the hotel. Look at everyone looking fly. And we're going to be spending the weekend at Montenegro, Podgorica, or Podgorica, whatever it's called.
We are in
Podgorica. So here we're on the bus, chilling. I sat in front. I love sitting in the front, like anywhere I go to. In the front, chilling. The girls touched down Hilton Hotel Montenegro, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, touchdown Montenegro. Hey. The drama at this hotel when we got in was a lot. Trying to lodge. Well, first we spent almost 30 minutes outside snapping pictures, feeling ourselves. Then we finally decided to lodge.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ooh, look at the view! The view is not beautiful.
I mean, there's mountain over there.
Anyways, we ended up we initially was going to change our mind about staying at the hotel because their pool was closed, and part of the reason why we got the hotel was the pool, but they compensated us with free breakfast, so we decided to stay. Look at the room. So this is my room, and I'm going to be sharing the room with Tanure. The view, oh my god, very nice. All the rooms are really, really nice. I was just feeling myself really. After checking out the room, we decided to prepare to go for spa. Okay, we had to go for our spa. This is us in the pool. This is me feeling myself. God, guys, I love everything about having a good spa session. Is this sauna room or whatever it's called? You just feel so warm. And so I was just there snapping picture. I didn't really do much, to be honest. I was just snapping picture. And then we got back from the spa, feeling ourselves well rested. Went downstairs for buffet session, guys. There was so much to eat, like so much to eat. I couldn't really eat a lot because I don't have appetite for food like that, but I was just there. I did more videoing than the actual eating of the food. But I love me some buffet breakfast. There was so much to eat, so much, and everyone had lovely breakfast.
Take something simple from the sweet station, or you just go straight to the buffet station here, and then there's so many things to select from. There are so many things to select from. Potato, there's whatever this is, there's beef sausage, and then there is pork sausage. Yeah, pork sausages. Look at, who's gonna eat this one? Definitely not me. There's boiled egg. Guys, scrambled egg. Kojino.
I'm looking for round two, maybe. My round one was not even big.
Wow, someone came for another round. Don't trust slim girls. They eat the. Look at gorgeousness from head to toe. More billions for a reason, and that's our period. Hey, guys, look at. Some people will keep it simple, just like me. Now bread and tea. I don't be chocolate and then.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last.
Hi guys, fresh girl this morning. Get ready with me on our boat cruise to Kotor. So we're traveling, entering the local bus to somewhere to enjoy the end of our life. That's Jayo Rimi, right? Yeah, because that's what I'm for this year. Like, if it's not good energy or WC money, like some people said, count me out. And after that, we decided to go to Kotor for our boat cruise, guys. Like, oh my god, that trip that trip became one of the longest trips I've ever been on.
1 pound, ready? 50 pound in motor. But the machine road train is a beautiful 1 pound, ready? Sherry, she said for Kuhuna. Headache, even the body kidney problem.
Don't bunny, Sherry.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is there
Olúwa wa orúkọ rẹ̀ ti níyì tó ní gbogbo ayé. This is interesting. Girl, where are you? You don't carry me come where I know. You want to go initiate us, abi? You know they will.
Till today, guys, you would not even believe it. Like our boat, when we're coming back from the boat cruise, the boat sort of, I don't know, did I say developed a fault or something? A speedboat was now moving slowly, like we were literally crawling on the sea, guys. We were crawling. We're supposed to be back by 3:30 and we just got in 8 p.m. instead of 3:30. But we still have something on the agenda, which is the dinner, and I'm ready to, prepare for dinner. Yeah.
Guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. I mean, Montenegro is so beautiful and is also budget friendly. If you have any question about visiting Montenegro, please put in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. Keep watching Yettysplash. Do well to subscribe. It is very important that you subscribe because your subscription keeps me going. Okay, do well to subscribe, like, share. Love you guys so much. Keep following Yettysplash for more. Bye.